Salutations, mini mathematicians. Happy Friday. I unfortunately am not there right now, not what I planned, but we're making it work. You're going to do so great on your exam. A little bit of change in plans. Before you were only going to have 45 minutes, and now you're going to have the whole class. It shouldn't take you the whole class, but you will have to finish the inequalities lesson we started last class, and you can finish that today in class with video bar, or you can finish it over break, but it does need to be done before you do your homework for that section. And I will be checking that lesson when we get back from break that it's done. So, first of all, to get ready for your exam, I want to talk about how many solutions does each equation have and why. So, taking a look, you have 6 different equations here. They either have one solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solutions. And I'd like you to take 4 minutes with your group right now and discuss how many solutions do you think each one has. Go ahead, 4 minutes. Awesome. Okay, mini mathematicians, let's go over these. This first one, A, how many solutions are there? That's right, here are no solutions, because if we subtracted 2x from both sides, we'll end up with 6 equals 7, which is a false statement. Remember, we always want to be thinking about the y here. So if we look at the next one, if we wanted to solve by undoing distribution first, we would divide both sides by 5. And when we do that, you'd have 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. Obviously, because there's only variables on one side, the variables are not going to cancel out, so we're going to have one solution. The variables do not cancel out, so again, we're going to have one solution. The directions are only asking how many solutions each equation has, not what are they, if it is one solution, so we just have to worry about that. If we look at the next one and we simplify both sides, we have negative 6 and 1, which is going to get you negative 5, minus 2x is equal to, on the other side, negative 5 minus 2x. And maybe you notice at this point it is the same expression on both sides, or maybe not, and you add 2x to both sides, and you get negative 5, which equals negative 5, which is a true statement, which tells us there are, that's right, infinitely many solutions. Our three-dimensional potato chip, the 8 that gave up. If we look at the next one, I'm not going to divide both sides by 3 to undo distribution because that would make fractions over here. So I'm just going to distribute my 3, and when I do that, I end up with 3x plus 12 is equal, on the other side, combining my like terms, x and 2x gets you 3x plus 10. If I subtract 3x from both sides, I end up with 12 equals 10, which is a false statement, which lets me know my solution is no solution. So if you discuss with your group that D was no solution, great job. Taking a look at E, again, I'm just going to simplify, combining my like terms. I have 5x plus 9 is equal, on the other side, 9 plus 5x. Maybe you notice with the commutative property of addition, these are exactly the same, or you didn't and you subtracted 5x on both sides and you got 9 equals 9, which is true, which tells you that this is infinitely many solutions. And the last one, when we look here, we have 4x and x gets you 5x plus 8. On the other side, distribute the 2. I have 4x plus 8. If I bring the variables to the same side, I subtract 4x from both sides. I have x plus 8 is equal to 8. And I notice that my variables are not going to cancel out, so I have one solution. You're going to do so great on your exam. Remember, you can always verify equations, even if I don't ask you to. You have the entire class. You already have your 4.2C lesson handout. Hopefully that is put away. Set up your cheater defeaters. You're going to do great. And I will see you after fall break. Thank you so much, mini mathematicians.